Hi, I'm Lakshmi Krishnakumar. I'm a Shakespeare scholar. I run an organization called O, and our efforts are to, at policy level, get to acknowledge art and science as one, not as equals, but as one, and that is our effort.
All right. So, as the workshop suggests, what are your views on the underwater domain awareness?
So I happen to have the good fortune to meet and interact with Arnab, and I myself have a journalism background, and it would be quite embarrassing to confess that there was so much that I had learned from him since meeting him, and there's so much more to know, I'm sure, and I think our youngsters, our population, everyone should know about what is happening in the underwater domain and how best we can work together to conserve our waters and to have a sustainable life around it.
Absolutely, that's a wonderful thought. I would also like to ask you, what's your ongoing workshop experience that you've experienced today?
Okay, so I have attended the workshop on 3 different days I've been here, and every one I have been at has been equally informing and extremely rewarding for anyone to be seated in the audience and learn so much. So I think it is such a wonderful thing for young people to be around here and to be part of this workshop and learn so much that veterans and people who know willingly imparting to the audience.